Hi everyone, myself Dr. Pooja, specialist dentist from INDIADENS Dental Clinic. Today I am going to talk about what is bruxism. Bruxism is the excessive grinding or clenching of the teeth. If you have a bruxism, you may grind or clench unconsciously when you are awake, or it can be during sleep. With the result, on long term, you may have dental and oral complications. Common causes of bruxism are anxiety and stress, abnormal alignment of upper and lower teeth, problems of temporomandibular joint, long-term use of certain medicines, suppressed emotions like anger and frustration. Mild bruxism may not need treatment, but in people with severe bruxism, it may lead to jaw disorders, headache, damaged teeth, and other problems. Treatment options include stress reduction by taking relaxation measures, psychological counseling, correction of teeth alignment, splint therapy, full mouth rehabilitation with crown and veneers. As you may not be aware of the bruxism until the complications develop, it is very important to know the signs and symptoms of it and to seek regular dental care. Thank you.